Good day, ma'am. I am Robert E. Arakel from BSHM 2B. I will be discussing or sharing about the shortcuts in keyboards. According to TikTok and Google, here are some shortcut functions of keyboard. To begin, let's start with Control and A, which means select all or select all text. Next one is Control plus B, which means bold the text. Next one is Control and C, which means copy the text. Next one is Control plus D, which means font style and duplicate. Next one is Control plus E, which means align text center or alignment centered side. Next one is Control plus F, which means find the text. Next one is Control plus G, which means go to and group. Next one is Control plus H, which means replace the text. Next one is Control plus I, which means italic the text. Next one is Control plus G, which means justify the text. And Control plus K, which means insert hyperlink. Next one is Control plus L, which means left align text or alignment left side. Next one is Control plus M, which means paragraph indent or new side. Next one is Control plus N, which means open new page or open new document and page. Next one is Control plus O, which means open file. Next one is Control plus P, which means print. Next one is Control plus Q, which means remove indent paragraph or quit. Next one is Control plus R, which means right align text or alignment right side. Next one is Control plus S, which means save. Next one is Control plus T, which means hanging indent new tab. Next one is Control plus U, which means underline. One is Control plus V, which means paste. The next one is Control plus W, which means close document or closed window. Next one is Control plus X, which means cut. Next one is Control plus Y, which means redo or any undo action or redo. Next one is Control plus Z, which means undo any action or undo. Next one is Control plus ESC, which means Windows starts menu. Next one is Control plus Tab, which means switch between open tabs in browser or other tab programs. Next one is Control plus Shift plus Tab, which means we'll go backwards, right or left. Next one is Control plus Delete equals delete next words. Next one is Control and arrow to the left side, which means previous words. Next one is Control and arrow to the right side, which means next word. Next one is Control plus arrow to the left side again, which means delete previous words. Next is Control plus Alt and arrow to the north, which means rotate screen right side. Next one is Control Alt plus arrow to the south, which means rotate screen upside down. Next one is Control Alt and arrow to the left, which means rotate screen left. Next one is Control Alt and arrow to the right, which means rotate screen right. Next is Shift and space, which means select row. Next one is Control plus 2, which means double spacing. Next one is Control plus 5, which means 1.5 spacing. Next one is Control plus Shift plus ESC, which means Task Manager. Next one is Control plus plus, which means insert cells. Next one is Control plus minus equals delete cells. Next one is Control plus space, which means select column. Next one is Control plus 1, which means format cells. Next one is the F4, which means repeat action. Next one is the Alt plus Enter, which means new line within cell. Next one is the F2, which means edit cell. Next one is Shift plus Alt plus D, which means date. Next one is Shift plus Alt plus T, which means time. So that would be all for my topic, ma'am, which is the shortcut functions of keyboard. Thank you for watching and have a nice day po.